Hey guys, welcome back to BONOSS wheel spacer unofficial channel. I'm Lulu. How to install BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers. Losing all the lug nuts in a sequence of star pattern, don't fully remove them. Slide the jack under the vehicle to the lifting point and raise the vehicle slowly until the head of the single wheel is completely lifted off the ground. Remember to place a jack stand to ensure safety. Using rust remover to clean the wheel hub, wipe with the sandpaper so that wheel spacer can fit the hub better. Place the BONOSS wheel spacers on the hub and align the holes in the spacers with the studs. Then use a torque wrench to snug up the lug nuts in a star pattern with the right torque. Tighten the nut of the original car with an appropriate torque. Remove the jack stand. Use the jack to lower the vehicle slowly until the wheel is in full contact with the ground. These wheel spacers also fit the Tesla Model 3 performance version. According to the current experience, the original Tesla Model 3 performance hub axle head has an extra center lip. Please feel free to buy it. BONOSS has designed all the Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers to accommodate this extra lip. For more information, please see the link down on the description. See you next time. Bye bye.